All right, good morning. We're at it again. We're gonna take you on a ride along today. I think we're just gonna go on 3 jobs today after the holiday. We've got a refrigerator first. The top shelf stuff is freezing. If you're a tech, you've seen this before. The milk is freezing up on the top shelf. So you know, in the systems, what are we expecting the cause and the solution of this is gonna be, Jacob?
Probably going to be one of the digital thermostats. It's a newer style fridge, so it's electronically measuring what the temperature is. Thermostat could be bad, could be out of range. The control board could be bad and reading a correct signal wrong. So we got to start looking at the circuit of it. It's probably going to be something a little more digital.
So this machine has 2 thermistors. It just has 2. It has one in the freezer section and one in the fridge section. And there's also the baffle, right? That could be stuck, not working or something. So the evaporator fan, there's a door that opens and closes that drives the air up from the freezer section into the fridge. So that door could be stuck open. So the thermistor could be working properly, but it's not communicating or something's wrong. Maybe the little motor's broken that opens and closes that evaporator fan door. I forget what we're calling it. I'm just calling it a baffle today. Excuse me if you call it something else, but baffle works good to me. Get out and get some. It's a beautiful day.
Get out and get it.
You look up, go to the error code one first. See that the number 8 or whatever is the error codes.
Yeah, I was going to check for the
We'll just go
for
straight.
the thermistor first. It's closer down.
Okay. 1 means good.
Yep.
Is that the freezer or the fridge?
Fridge.
Yeah.
Or was that? No, that was freezer.
Yeah,
3.
it's the fridge one that's more suspect. 1 is good. Good thermostat. So the baffle, the damper. I hear it. What does 0 mean?
Damper opening.
It's exciting. The repairman's here.
No errors.
Okay, so it looks like we have a bad door. The door came unconnected on the damper, the baffle here. So we're gonna attempt to put it back in there. It doesn't look like any of the plastics are actually broken. That's it. Now let's test it again. All right, so that Frigidaire refrigerator was pretty straightforward. Again, the milk was freezing up on the top shelf. What'd you find there, Jake?
So the baffle, the damper, the little door that separates the freezer and the fridge, the little plastic door just popped off its hinges. So the motor was moving back and forth, but it wasn't actually actuating the door. It was just sitting there. So we took it off and none of the plastic was broken. So we snapped it right back in place like a little Lego. Tested the motor 20 times in each direction. The door didn't pop off again. So probably if they have kids or something, they like threw a bottle of apple juice back in there and it just kind of slapped it really hard. And it might have popped the door off, but I don't foresee a future issue with it. We tested it thoroughly.
Yes, we were in and out of there in 30 minutes, collected $250 on the ticket. Boom. In the GuildUSA, we had the dock preloaded, so we were able to run it through its test. Now we're off to the next one. The next one is a U-line under the counter ice maker. It's the kind that doesn't drain, you know, it's not a circulating kind. It's a freezer in there with the half moon ice cubes. So we'll report on that. Get out and get it, people.
Get out and get it.